Okay, folks, happy Monday. So happy start to the week. Okay, looking at product of primes in this video lesson. So a classic Edexcel question, Pearson Edexcel and IGCSE exam question. Okay, looking at product of primes. Okay, so for higher and foundation. So that's to write 600 as a product of powers of its prime factors. Show you're working clearly. So we start off with 600. Okay, I'm going to decompose this. So I think of two numbers that multiply to make 600. I'm going to go for 60 and 10. Okay, just for like the sake of ease. Okay, I'm going to obviously break down your 10 into its factors 2 and 5. I'm going to circle 2 and 5, guys, because 2 and 5 are prime numbers, okay, and also prime factors. Okay, 60 can obviously decompose into 6 and 10. I'm gonna decompose here 6 into 2 and 3, and 10 into 2 and 5. Okay. And I'm circling these numbers because these numbers are what we call your prime numbers. Okay, remember a prime number, if you're unsure, is a number that has two distinct factors. Oh, sorry, not three. Sorry. Okay, 2 and 5. Sorry. Okay, 1 and itself. Okay, 1 is not prime. Yeah, so that's quite a common example. Okay, so 1 is not prime. Okay, but yeah, 2 is a prime number, yeah, and 2 is the only even prime number. Obviously, the rest of numbers, yeah, obviously prime, yeah, odd numbers, but yeah, they have two distinct factors, 1 and itself, okay, and only looking at positive, yeah, integers, okay, so positive whole numbers. Okay, so 600 can be written as 2 times 2, okay, times 2 times 3 times 5 times 5. It wants it in power form, so product of powers, so writing it in index form. So that'll be 2 cubed, or 2 to the power of 3, multiplied by 3, so times by 3, and then multiplied by 5 squared, or 5 to the power of 2. Okay, and that, guys, is my final answer for 3 marks on a typical Edexcel foundation and higher tier paper looking at product of prime factors. Okay, so yeah, this is using the prime factor tree. Now there are some other, or there is actually one other method that I know, which I can do like a separate video on, but yeah, this is like the classic method to obviously work out. Hopefully it makes sense.